far as the financial services industry, right? Within the financial service industry is pretty big, but I don't have a crystal ball. If any of you do have a crystal ball, please send through one for me as well. But I don't have a crystal ball, so I can't predict the future. But what I do think, based on trends, is that retail banking is something that's in the past, right? Like it's much easier to bank, to make transactions, to have efficient storage systems, to have efficient payment processes that are automated. So I think retail banking is in a large part a thing of the past. I also think audit and assurance, even though like a lot of people might disagree. In New Zealand, we have a company that's sort of blown up in the world. It's called Xero, Xero, and that's revolutionized stuff in New Zealand in the sense where accounting was always considered a safe job, right? Like, if you became an accountant, you're guaranteed one thing is that you'll get a job at the end of your degree. You're guaranteed that. And it sort of put that at real threat because ordinary mums and dads are now able to use Xero and, move on from accountants. So accounting might not be as safe anymore, even though I still think they would be in demand. 70% of all brokerage jobs that existed, that's the total volume of jobs, have disappeared in the past. I don't know the exact statistic, but it's like 10 years or 8 years or something like that. Past 8 years. So if you think an industry has shrunk, so much that 70% of its jobs have disappeared, you've got to say, well, if it's easier for me to buy shares for myself online, or would I really need stockbrokers? So the brokerage, sales and trading industry has taken a bit of a hit as well. Quite a big hit in terms of jobs. So yeah, that's based on my crystal ball. That's what I'd say are the serious threats. As long as people still continue wanting to deal with people, which I think will be the case, because I think people like, we are social animals, and a lot of the finance jobs that are there. Oh yeah, there's a big one, which is the quants are building systems and models that will make more models than you ever can, will predict more outcomes than you ever can, will take in more factors than you ever can. And so even the concept of hedge funds and investment funds and stuff like that are sort of under threat from quant models and stuff. But that's yet to be proven. There's no definitive evidence of returns there. I'd wait a little bit before you hit panic stations. But yeah.